officially Halloween, and y'all know I had to come on here and give y'all a little special rendition of what my Halloween is gonna be like. This is probably my official first Halloween that I've celebrated in Atlanta, where I'm actually going to get dressed. So today I'm gonna turn myself into Starfire, and I'm so excited because I really love Titans. I love that Starfire was a black woman in the Titans series on HBO, so I was like, you know what, your girl about to do what it needed to do. So today is Operation Make a Costume. So last year I was going to be Starfire because I really enjoyed the show, but unfortunately I did not go far with the costume. So this year I am going to attempt to make this costume, y'all, with this fabric. So listen, y'all stay tuned because it's gonna be really cute, okay? But I'm gonna just start cutting out the pieces and stuff, and then I have a wig. The only thing I need are green contacts. So if I can find some, I'll put some on. But if I can't, that's okay, because we're about to get it popping, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all know time it's Sheek here, Sheek TV. Happy Halloween. So right now, I took one of my dresses and I just kind of outlined it for the most part. So I have one side A and then I gotta do side B. Now the issue is I need to be able to make like straps for this. And then on Coriander's dress, she has a slit. So once I'm able to stitch both sides together, I'll figure out where the stitch needs to go. Y'all probably can't see, but you see I like outlined it right there. So y'all continue to stay tuned. And then I put my bra here to figure out like where my boobs will go. So I think this line is pretty good, but we'll see. We'll see. Cross the fingers, y'all. Show y'all what's happening right here. Okay, so this is the cutout of the dress. This is about to be so good. So I'm probably gonna have to make the back side a little bigger because y'all see that. Y'all see all of that. So we're gonna make the back side just a little bigger than what we already have cut out. So I have this stencil now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little over, so about an inch over for the back side. And then if it's too big, I'll bring it in on the sides. But right now, it's so cute. And then with the back, we kind of want it to have like a scoop neck, so it won't have more of the point. So once I get up here, I'm going to scoop the neck and then bring it over. But so far so good.
I can't stop.
So now I am pinning this to my sports bra. So like I have an idea of the cut. That's the back side. But I think it's gonna fit, okay? I'm gonna start making dresses. And I could definitely say ever since I started like making scrunchies and stuff, I've been able to like really understand like stitching and different stuff like that. Like even the bottom, we're gonna like hem up so it's nice and straight. So if I have to cut it, I'll cut it. But right now, I'm going to stitch the sides together. So you have the front and then you have the back.
I can't stop the feeling.
Okay, so let's slip her on. Make sure we can actually put her on. And we is. And mind y'all, I have shorts on. So you see it?
That was good.
I made a whole dress. All right, y'all. So the outfit is done. I'm definitely looking like Starfire. I just want to show y'all because I put a lot of effort into this. Listen.
Period.
I put a lot of effort into
Okay,
this
do a little turn.
outfit. Y'all see the back, the cut, the back out, all of that, okay? And you know, she be having her fur coat on, killing niggas and all of that. So, you know, yeah, I'm killing them. All right, y'all. I will see y'all in a few because your girl did that one. Bye.